What happens to your body if you drink rosemary tea every day? Learn about the incredible effects of daily consumption of rosemary tea. Recognized as a powerful herb, rosemary is known for its ability to naturally address a variety of health issues. This herb, which is part of the mint family, has a long history dating back to ancient Rome for its use in relieving headaches, boosting memory and focus, and reducing digestive discomfort such as bloating and constipation. Recent research supports these traditional uses, highlighting rosemary's potential in treating both minor and more severe health conditions, including problems with digestion and even neurodegenerative diseases. Be sure to read to the end for straightforward advice and recipes to increase your intake of rosemary. Rosemary is appreciated for its refreshing herbal fragrance and strong aroma, using mainly its needle-shaped leaves and oil for cooking and healing purposes. The historical medicinal value of rosemary is well documented, thanks to its unique active ingredients that offer anti-inflammatory benefits and contribute to its signature smell and flavor. Additionally, rosemary is loaded with phenolic compounds, natural elements with powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial benefits. If you're picking rosemary fresh, make sure to clean it properly before use. You can also easily find rosemary in herbal shops if you prefer a more convenient option to access its health benefits. 1. Boosts circulation. By widening blood vessels, rosemary tea can improve circulation and lower high blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular and cerebral complications. Improved vessel dilation enhances the flow of oxygen and nutrients to body tissues while facilitating the removal of metabolic waste. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant components also play a role in minimizing the risk of blood clots. However, excessive consumption may lead to adverse effects. 2. Aids digestion. Rosemary has a long-standing reputation for supporting gut health. It addresses various digestive issues by reducing gas, easing bowel movements, and soothing stomach discomfort. Its antispasmodic effect relaxes the digestive tract's muscles, improving digestion and reducing pain. Rosemary promotes bile flow from the gallbladder, which is essential for fat digestion, and its anti-inflammatory qualities are particularly beneficial for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. Furthermore, rosemary supports healthy gut bacteria and combats harmful microbes, maintaining overall digestive health. 3. Balances blood sugar. Rosemary is particularly advantageous for individuals managing prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. It enhances insulin sensitivity, making the insulin produced by the pancreas more effective in transferring blood sugar into muscle cells for energy. Additionally, rosemary contains compounds that mimic insulin's actions, helping to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. 4. Reduces stress. Drinking a cup of rosemary tea each day can be especially helpful during times of increased stress or anxiety. It also plays a role in enhancing the quality of sleep, thus tackling insomnia that often accompanies stress. This natural remedy offers a soothing effect, making it easier to relax and find calmness amidst hectic schedules or challenging situations. 5. Improves brain health. The value of rosemary for brain health is supported by scientific research. Carnosic acid found in rosemary protects the brain from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Rosemary also aids in the breakdown of acetylcholine, a chemical crucial for brain cell communication, enhancing memory and concentration. Beyond cognitive improvement, rosemary is known to boost mood and reduce anxiety and fatigue, with numerous studies validating these effects. Historically, even ancient Greek students recognized rosemary's positive impact on memory and focus. The improved blood flow to the brain, as mentioned earlier, helps minimize damage from strokes and supports overall brain health. Rosemary's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties offer protection against neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's disease, showcasing its neuroprotective benefits. 6. Reduces inflammation. Rosemary is recognized for its significant anti-inflammatory capabilities, offering relief for individuals dealing with inflammation-related discomfort commonly associated with joint conditions such as arthritis and osteoarthritis, as well as muscle soreness. The advantages of rosemary can be enjoyed by adding it to daily meals or by drinking rosemary tea. Furthermore, studies indicate that the topical application of rosemary essential oils on areas experiencing pain can lead to reduced discomfort. This approach to managing inflammation not only supports physical well-being, but also enhances the quality of life for those affected by such conditions. 7. Boosts immunity. Rosemary strengthens the immune system, making the body less prone to infections. Its ability to fight off viruses, bacteria, and fungi comes from its combined antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. In the past, these same qualities were why rosemary was used to naturally preserve food, helping to keep it fresh for longer periods. Incorporating rosemary into your diet can be a proactive measure to maintain overall health and resilience against common illnesses. 8. Supports liver health. Rosemary is beneficial for liver health, particularly in reducing the buildup of dietary fats within the liver. This makes it valuable not just for individuals managing fatty liver disease, but also as a preventive measure against liver damage caused by medications or harmful substances. Consulting a healthcare professional about including rosemary in your diet, whether as an herb in cooking or as tea, can be a wise decision for those looking to protect and support their liver function. This approach to liver health emphasizes the importance of natural dietary choices in managing and preventing conditions related to liver function. 9. Supports eye health. Rosemary has been recognized for its role in eye health, particularly in fighting age-related eye problems. It contributes to slowing down the development of cataracts, which is the clouding of the eye lens, and age-related macular degeneration, a serious condition that affects the rear part of the eye and can lead to loss of vision. The beneficial compounds in rosemary not only help in reducing the risk of these eye conditions, but also in decelerating their advancement, offering a natural approach to preserving eye health as one grows older. 10. Improve skin and hair health. Rosemary provides several advantages for both skin and hair care. It helps delay signs of aging, aids in healing wounds, and offers relief from skin conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis, acne, psoriasis, and also addresses alopecia areata, which causes patchy hair loss. The effectiveness of rosemary in these areas is supported by research, making it a valued natural remedy for enhancing the health and appearance of skin and hair. The health advantages of rosemary come from its special substances, including polyphenols like carnosol, rosmarinic acid, and caffeic acid. These substances are known for their strong health benefits, such as fighting oxidation, reducing inflammation, and killing harmful microbes. Rosemary also has flavonoids like apigenin and luteolin that work together with these polyphenols. While initial research was done in labs, more recent studies with people are starting to show similar positive results. Rosemary is not just a herb for cooking. You can make tea from its leaves. It's also used in many skincare products like creams and essential oils, which can make your skin healthier. And did you know you can even use rosemary in your garden to keep it smelling fresh and clean? It's so versatile and has lots of benefits for your health and everyday life. Making rosemary tea is a simple and aromatic way to enjoy the myriad of benefits this herb has to offer, from improving digestion and reducing inflammation to boosting memory and mood. Here's how to create a soothing cup of rosemary tea. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves, 1 cup 250 milliliters of boiling water. Optional: sweetener, honey, sugar or maple syrup, or a slice of lemon for taste. If using fresh rosemary, wash the leaves thoroughly to remove any dirt. Shake off any excess water or pat dry. Bring water to a boil in a kettle or on the stove. Place the rosemary leaves in a tea infuser or directly in a cup. Pour the boiling water over the rosemary leaves. Let the tea steep for about 5 minutes. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you can allow it to steep for up to 10 minutes. Remove the tea infuser or strain the tea to remove the leaves. If you like, add a sweetener or a slice of lemon to enhance the flavor. Enjoy your tea hot or let it cool and serve it iced for a refreshing drink. If you're after a deeper, more intense flavor, consider making a rosemary decoction. This involves simmering the rosemary leaves in water on the stove for 15–20 minutes, allowing for a more potent extraction of flavors and beneficial compounds. This method is perfect for those who enjoy a robust herbal tea experience. Simply follow the initial steps, but allow the rosemary and water mixture to simmer gently, ensuring a richer taste. Whether you opt for the gentle infusion or go for the stronger decoction, rosemary tea offers a delightful blend of flavor and therapeutic benefits, making it a worthy addition to your daily routine. Rosemary, while known for its health benefits, can also have side effects and risks that are important to be aware of. Just like any other food or herb, there's a chance of allergic reactions when consuming rosemary or applying it to the skin. If you have skin sensitivities, it's crucial to talk to a skin doctor before using rosemary products directly on your skin. It's advised not to apply rosemary on open cuts or burns. Taking too much rosemary, such as drinking over 2 cups of rosemary tea a day, can lead to stomach issues, including discomfort, nausea, and vomiting. It's important to use rosemary in moderation. Start with small amounts and see how your body responds. Stop using it if you experience negative reactions and seek medical advice. Rosemary is not recommended for people with gallstones or bleeding disorders due to its effects on bile secretion and mild blood-thinning properties. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should also be cautious, as the impact of rosemary is not fully understood in these conditions. Furthermore, rosemary might interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and blood pressure drugs, potentially altering their effects. Always consult with healthcare professionals before mixing rosemary with any medications. This information is meant for educational purposes. Always talk to your healthcare provider about any concerns. If you found this information useful, consider sharing it. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for updates. Check out our other videos for more insights into natural health remedies. Thanks for watching.